Hello friends, welcome with Knowledge Extension. Today we're going to learn important language you should learn to become a data scientist. So that's a very demanding career altogether, and if you watch this video up till end, you'll realize that these are the very basic languages which you can learn online. And if you take our tutorial or if you take our online classes, so you can get a very good job prospects also. Yeah. So let's go ahead. Data science is a process of collecting data from various sources and store, organize, and manipulate them in order to perform advanced data analytics. Following languages are in demand to become a data scientist in 2020. The first, Python. Python is the most used data language for data science. Python is the easiest language to learn and widely used by the data scientist. It is easily used by the programmer to manipulate, process, and conduct data analysis. It is the first choice for data scientists anytime. Second, R. It is high-level programming language used to perform statics functioning. As compared to Python, R is a little complex to learn. However, it has analyzed huge data arrays, provides data visualization, and conduct data analysis. Third, Julia. This language is used to perform numerical analysis and computational science. Julia is gaining popularity these days. It is very efficient in performing web programming at both front and the back end. It is easy to learn, similar to Python. It solves mathematical problems at high speed and is considered efficient for programming data analytics. It works faster than R and Python. I think that's the most important part. Fourth, Java. Java is a versatile language and is considered the prime programming language for data activities. It can be best choice for creating, designing, visualization. Java is the most preferred language by the scientists due to extraordinary tools and libraries. Fifth, SQL. SQL is the most vital data science programming language that is used to learn to become data scientist. This programming language is considered as one of the primary requirements for data scientists. SQL gives access to the data and the scientist, which make it very useful resource for the data science. Sixth, C++. It is extremely simple yet powerful language. It is little hard to learn for the beginners but very handy for the data scientist. The programming language has much bordered command on its applications. Seventh, Scala. Scala is a language used to data processing and web development. It supports both object-oriented language and functional programming. It is extension of Java and is perfect for high-level data scientists. It is used to analyze high volumes and data without overloading. And we feel if you know all these languages, at least the basic part, it's gonna help you out for your career, for the job prospects. Feel free to contact us if you wanted to take our classes. We would be really happy to help you out. Keep watching our videos, and if you're liking our videos, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.